How to play zip video file in Android. So if you want to play a zip video file in Android, then what you need to do is you just need to install an application to play the zip video file, because in Android you don't have that option to open a zip file. So open up your Play Store, make sure that you have a stable internet connection, go for the search and search for File Manager Plus, and make sure to install this application. Once you've installed the application, tap on open. Once you tap on open, now you need to simply go for downloads and simply locate the file or locate the video file. So tap on it, and once you tap on it, you need to choose archive viewer and then tap on just once or always, and the application will itself convert your zip file or extract your zip file, and now you can view the file. But if you want to download the file to your mobile device without going to the application again and again, then you just need to go for the upper arrow, which is on the upper side of your screen. Tap on the arrow and then choose the extraction path. So you can choose the downloads, and you can choose any file that you're comfortable with, and then tap on extract here, and it will be extracted and it will be saved to your device. So that's how you can play the zip file video in your Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.